Greetings everybody, Barry from H&W here. Do a real quick video for you. A lot of times when people are running the cool down feeds, you either have kickout issues or it doesn't have enough pressure to keep driving when it needs to keep driving. So I'm going to demonstrate how a real quick fix for this on this machine. Turn it on, and you notice it feeds down, but if I just do that, it just stops. I mean, there's no pressure stopping it. So I'm going to let it go, and it does kick out as it should. But we're going to fix this real quick. And it's going to be by adjusting this bar right here. So what you do is take the round cover off. Cover off. Just take the clutch out. We're going to go up to my vise real quick. Okay. Put it in your vise. Now, you see how it's shaped like this. We're going to hit it this way one time with my favorite hammer. That's it. Now, we'll do this once. If this doesn't fix it, you can do it another time. You can go back a little bit, but hopefully this will be enough. Okay, we're back in the machine. We'll put our clutch back in. Right spot. Put it in there. Your cover. And you'll see on your cover there's your hooks there. It goes in and slides into the slots on the cover. Back in. Through. Now let's turn it back on. Make sure it moves up and down as it should, and it does. Engage your clutch. There you go. I can still pull it, so I could go a little more. So what I'll do is I will go in and make another adjustment to it, and I'll get it to where it works. But that is how you do the real quick adjustment to your full power down feed. So thanks for watching. Please hit like and click the bell icon for notifications. Have a great day.